How to rapidly boost your Snap score. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to easily boost your Snap score on Snapchat. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open up your Snapchat application. Once you open up your Snapchat, what you want to do is head over to your chat section, and then from here you just want to add random bot accounts. So for example, if you just click a snap right here and then click on send to, you will have many options here. So you just want to find your friends, and if you don't see the list here, you can find on this add friends, because what you want to do first is go ahead and add these friends first. Tap on the add friends option and search for random names. For example, AAAA. If you do this, it will show you a lot of bot accounts that is not being used. Or if you do this any of the alphabets like this, you will find these on your account. And if you want to see more, you can just allow your contacts and you can add it to them. And once you have added them, and once they added you back, what you can do is just click a snap, tap on send to, and you can select all by creating a shortcut. And from here, you can just tap on your shortcut, select everyone like this, tap on save, and then send it. And that's how you can rapidly boost your Snap score, because your Snap score is determined by the amount of snaps you send or the number of snaps you send and receive. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll see you guys on the next one.